Hello traders, how are you all doing? I hope everything is going well. I'm here once again with a new video, a new indicator, and a new strategy for you all. Mindset keeps bringing you such strategies and indicators. You must be seeing buy and sell signals on your screen. How to use this indicator? What are the methods involved? By using this indicator, how can you place really good trades? Here you can see buy and sell signals on the screen. Now what are its settings and what do you need to rely on to use this indicator? How will we know that our entry point has been established? In this indicator, everything is included. Demand supply zones, previous day high, previous day low, previous day center point, and the market trend, whether it's bullish or bearish, everything is shown here. Volume has also been added for you, so you can see the market's time volume as well. Okay, before we thoroughly discuss this important indicator, let me clearly show you the current trading signals, on precisely what basis we are consistently getting buy or sell signals, exactly how the market structure significantly changes, and precisely how the crucial break of structure actually happens. You can observe all of this very clearly and comprehensively within this powerful indicator. So let us now start this detailed video so you can fully understand the indicator and effectively use it to make some really good, consistently profitable trades. We don't go to higher time frames, just 15 minutes, 5 minutes or 1 minute. You can use it on 30 minutes, 1 hour or 4 hour, whichever time frame you prefer. But right now I am using it on the 15-minute time frame. If you want to do scalping, then the 5-minute or 1-minute time frames are the best. Okay, if we want to do day trading, then for day trading we have to use the 4-hour time frame, and to take entries from there we need to come down to the 5-minute or 15-minute time frame. So here, let's talk about the signals of this indicator, how we should take entries and how to analyze the market to take trades. Simply, you are getting buy and sell signals here. When there's a buy, the market goes up. When there's a sell, the market goes down. When there's a buy, the market goes up again. Okay, you can see here, this is a break of structure. So the market tells you that the structure has broken from here, the market comes down, and when the structure breaks below, the market goes down. When the structure breaks above, the market goes up, and here you get a buy signal. Now the buy signal that appeared here, what is the reason for this buy signal, and why didn't we get an entry here? What is the reason? Now, as for why we didn't get an entry here, I'll explain that further in the video, why this buy signal failed for us. You can see that the buy signal appeared, but we didn't get an entry here. How we missed the entry, I'll explain that in the next video. Going forward, why we didn't get an entry here and how it happened. Now, the reason is that even though you're getting a buy signal here and you can see that it failed, we still didn't get any entry here. Why we didn't get an entry? Let's move on to that. During that same video, a buy signal appeared. Alright, again, a sell signal appeared. Here, a buy signal appeared. Here a sell signal appeared. A buy signal appeared. A sell signal appeared. The market dumped quite a bit downwards, as you all can see here. The market went down significantly. Here again a buy signal appeared. After the buy signal appeared, the market moved to the upside, and then again a sell signal appeared. After the sell signal, the market went down, and after the buy signal, the market moved sideways. Here a sell signal appeared, but we didn't get any entry. I'll tell you the reason why we didn't get an entry here, what the reason is, why there was no entry. Here, a buy signal has appeared. After the buy signal, our TP1 was hit, alright? Now the market gives a sell signal. After the sell signal, the market moves down and gives us a pretty good profit. TP1, TP2 and TP3 all get hit. And after the buy signal, our take profit 1 gets hit. After TP1 is hit, the market gives a sell signal. After the sell signal, the market moves sideways for a while and then dumps really badly. Here, after the market crashes, we get a buy signal at this point. Now here, you can see the volume, the trend line and everything else clearly. What is this in the volume base below? I will explain everything to you. In this video, I will discuss it all with you. Here, when the buy signal came, our TP1 was easily hit. Okay, then a sell signal appeared here. As I mentioned earlier, why didn't we get an entry? What was the reason? Here too, you can see a sell signal. You started seeing this signal, but our entry point was not formed, just like here where a buy signal appeared. After the buy signal appeared, you got a buying opportunity on this candle, you got a buy signal, but we didn't enter until a candle closed above this entry line. After a candle closed above this entry line, we had to enter on the next candle. After entering, the market, following a rejection, moved strongly in the opposite direction and hit take profit 2. These are the features of this indicator that can provide you with excellent entries where it is essential for a candle to close above the entry line. You shouldn't just place a trade as soon as you see a buy or sell signal. You must wait for a candle to close above the entry line. Now here you can see the volume, that the market volume has increased significantly. Okay, here you can also see that the trend line has been broken. This trend line has also been broken, and you can see the volume is green and the trend line is also visibly breaking. Again, you can see that both of these lines are above this one line you see here, and from here you can observe that selling volume is appearing in the market. It is coming in, and from here you can see that the market is continuously moving down. Now our TP2 has been easily hit. Okay, now let's talk about how to apply this indicator and how to take entries with it. As I have already told you, here you can see a dash where you are shown the current vision, and the current trend is also displayed. The trend is bullish and the market's trend is bullish as well, and it is showing you 50 points 46. The time frame I mentioned is showing that in the 15-minute time frame it is bullish, in the 5-minute it is bullish, in the 3-minute it is bullish, but in the 9-minute it is bearish, because the 1-minute time frame is bearish. Okay, 1 hour is also bearish, 2 and 4 hours are bearish, and the daily is also bearish. Okay, so this was the discussion with you all about this indicator. Now, as I have already told you, you should not trade just by looking at the buy and sell signals. You need a candle closing above the entry line. As soon as a candle closes above the entry line, you can enter on the next candle and generate a decent profit. If you don't want to take too much profit, then set your maximum target at TP1 or TP2. Keep your maximum target up to TP2, or set it between TP3 and TP2. If you get confirmation, you can also generate profit from the market trend further by targeting TP3, TP4 and beyond. Now, I have already explained in detail in this video how to apply this indicator. Now, if you want to get this indicator from the person who has it, or if any trader wants to contact him, my WhatsApp number should be visible on your screen. After this, I have shown you the sell signals. There is tremendous progress because the logic is very simple. As long as a candle does not close below the entry line, you should not take a trade. For example, here you can see a sell signal, but no candle closed below our entry line. The candle went back up again. What we needed was a candle to close below our entry line. That's why you don't see an entry here. You can see the signal, but our entry was not placed here. Okay, now look here. You can see a buy signal. But even after the buy signal appeared, we didn't get any entry from here. Again, the market goes down, then up again, then down again, then up again. And this is the one candle that broke for us. This candle broke it. The market closed above our entry line, changed structure, and generated tremendous profit for us. This is a simple logic. If you use it, you can generate quite a good profit. Now, if we talk about this here as well, it's a very powerful property. The simple logic is that a candle should close below our entry line. For example, when this sell signal appeared, right, we got a sell signal on this candle, and if a candle properly closes below our entry line, then you can even increase your F a bit because you get that confirmation that a candle has closed below our entry line. The market has again faced rejection. After taking rejection, your stop loss was hit and the market moved from here, but you should know what was there previously at this point. When you will be able to identify this volume, for example. Here you can clearly see on the screen this important volume line should be distinctly visible to you. Then you will quite easily be able to precisely figure out what specific market structure has truly formed. So, I have carefully shared this valuable indicator with you, which you can effectively use to fully understand this complex situation. In this, you will also prominently see some additional lines for identifying demand zones and supply zones. This is our supply zone, okay? This is also our supply zone. Here are the sellers. They are sitting in the supply zone, right? And here you can see the demand zone, right? This is our demand zone. After the demand is absorbed, you see the market keeps moving to the upside. The market needs to take liquidity. You should know how the market moves, how you need to move in the market, as I am discussing with you all in the video. All right, make sure to check these things carefully. By using this indicator, you can generate a pretty good profit. This is what I am telling you all. When you use this indicator, you will also be able to know the previous day's low. What is the market low, and as the market moves sideways, it has taken out the previous day's low. You all should take note of the liquidity. After the market took out the liquidity, the buyers who were sitting there, after their liquidity was taken, the market moved sharply to the upside. This had become the center point of the market. This is the center point of the market. The market consolidated above this center point, and after holding there, it moved up again. The market also broke its previous day's high, and after breaking that, it moved further to the upside. So here I am showing you this on the BTC chart on a Sunday, but you can use it on gold, Forex or any market. With that, I won't take much more of your time. Anyone who wants to get this indicator from me can contact me for it. My WhatsApp number should be showing on your screen. With that, I'll see you in the next video with a new strategy and a new ticket. Until then, good luck.